Hey everyone, I'm Jason Odell, and it's been a while, so sorry for the lengthy delay, but I've got a Lightroom tip for you today. Um, Something you might want to do every now and then. If you're like me, you probably captured tons of photographs, and you may ask yourself, well, do I really need to keep these in my Lightroom catalog? Should I get rid of them or not? And what I want to do today is talk about a really simple and easy way of necking down your Lightroom catalog to sort of streamline it. And the reason why you would do this is because it's fewer previews to build, your catalog will be more compact, and I've got like some stupid number of images in my Lightroom catalog, 81,000 or something. So I'm going to go through and show you this cool technique called Refine Photos. And the way it works is that you start off with you can filter your view on anything you want using metadata. So I'm for example taking images just from one particular camera from one particular folder, but you could do this to an entire folder and all its subfolders as well. And what you want to do is, through the course of your triage, you want to go through your images and you want to use the pick flag, so that's P, to mark images as picked. And that flags them as marks them. And the rest of what you do doesn't matter. The stars won't matter, the color labels won't matter. What we're really looking for is that you put pick flags on images that you like. Once you've done that, then you can go and up to the Lightroom menu up at the top, go to Library, and choose the menu called Refine Photos. So this command, Refine Photos, here's our little dialog box. What it's going to do is it causes unmarked photos to be set as rejected, and it will unmark all of the marked photos. And what they're really saying is the flagged photos. So anything that's not marked with a pick flag, with a flag on it, the little white flag, is going to get marked as rejected. And it doesn't mean that they suck. It just means that they're not images that you want to keep in your library for right now. So you go ahead and click the Refine button. And now you can see all of the images that I didn't have flagged are grayed out. They have the black X reject flag. And what's useful for this is that now I can go up to the command, go to Photo, and under the very last item, it says Delete Rejected Photos. When you do this, you'll get another dialog box here, and it says, well, do you want to delete these from your disk or just remove them from Lightroom? And this is where you have to ask yourself, in this particular case, because there's nothing necessarily bad about these quote-unquote rejected photos, I'm just going to say remove them from my Lightroom catalog. That'll keep them on my disk. I can re-import them later if I wanted to bring them back. They're going to still be there. I can still view them in a browser, but they won't be in my catalog. So I click Remove, and now they're going to disappear. Notice now that all of the remaining images are still, their pick flag is gone. So now if I wanted to refine these and use perhaps star labels, colors, whatever, I can do that. And the important thing is that I've necked this down. So instead of having 100 images in this folder, I now have 30, and they're the ones that I was most interested in keeping. So that Refine Photos command, super easy. Just remember to use it with pick flags. If you screw up before you do anything, just use the undo command. It will go back. You can undo the Refine Photos. It'll put everything back the way it was. So until next time, I'm Jason Odell. Check me out, luminescentphoto.com. Got lots of great things coming up in the future, and happy shooting out there.